Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're here with Nadine West. This is a monthly style subscription service. Basically, if you're interested in having clothes sent to you and not having to go out and shop, Nadine West is a very affordable subscription. So basically, you go on, you fill out a survey, you tell them what you like, what you don't like, your size, all that good stuff, and then every month or whenever you want, they have, like different options available. They will send you a grouping of items. You have to get jewelry. That's the one thing about it that I will say I don't really care for. They send it to you. You go through, you try everything on, you keep what you like, you send back in the same bag what you don't like, and that's all paid for. You just pay shipping. You don't actually pay for anything. And then whatever you decide to keep, this shipping is applied to. So then you do get a discount if you keep everything. The past couple months for me haven't been a huge hit. In fact, I think I kept nothing last month. But I have high hopes. I'm hoping that we get in here, we see it, we're like, this is awesome, it's wonderful, right? We are thinking positive today. Not that this is going to be bad, right? Oh, I'm ripping it the wrong way. I shouldn't be doing that. The bag itself is really, by the way, it's really bad. I don't know how I'm going to send it back. I shouldn't have ripped it. Shoot. Did that. I'll have to tape it up really well. But how am I supposed to open it? Like, look at it. I don't know what they want me to do. Right? Like, look at it. They must have had somebody new working. Okay, there's one. I'm so itchy. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so busy. We are literally, it is Friday, August something. Tonight, it's the Friday the 13th. That's what, it's the 13th. Literally tonight at like 2 or 3 in the morning, we are getting up, we are leaving, and we are driving to Disney. It's going to be long, but I'm excited. I've never been to Disney. This was my birthday gift. I'm sure we spent 2 weeks without my kids. It was blissful, it was harmonious, and that was just like getting ready for things to come, right? The chaos to come. So this week is going to be wild, I think. Really probably wild. Okay, I think I got this. I'm so sorry I ripped this back. I am going to make it right when I put it up. Don't worry, I'll tape it. All right, so first off are a pair of pants. These are not something I'd pick because they're this color combo is pretty ugly. However, they're like nice dress pants. So if they're cheap enough, I'll keep them because I don't really care. Like, I'll be honest, I don't really care what they look like as long as they work and they're inexpensive. Like for when I go to church or school board meetings or things like that where I need dressier clothes. Now, when I signed up for this subscription, that's what I said. I have enough t-shirts, I have enough jeans, I have enough that stuff. What I want are dressier clothes that I can wear to more formal events. I have a harder time finding that kind of stuff at a reasonable price. All right, so, ooh, I have gotten these pants before. And I'm not, when we go through the prices, they're really expensive. It says Ultimate Tummy Control. They are kind of cute. But I just I'm not paying I think if I'm right, they're like $30 some. And I just think for a pair of what is essentially a yoga pant, no, is my answer. Pair of socks. I don't think I like getting socks in a fashion subscription. All right. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is that weird? Like, I don't want socks, So this is all wrapped up. Now, because I'm kind of in a rush, I don't know if I'm going to be able to, the things that I don't like, if I'm going to try them on or not. I will try to insert pictures of each of the items. I will, if I try it on, I will also show you a picture of me in it as well, just so you know. Another pair of pants. These are kind of cute. They're like a cropped. These are really cute, actually. If they're inexpensive, I'm keeping them. These are from a brand called Derek Hart. It's pretty popular. They do have this like kind of scallop top, so you'd want to tuck whatever top you have in. That's cute though. I like them. I think that's a cute pant. I hope that they're inexpensive. There's a scarf. I almost always get a scarf. I do not want nor need any scarves. I think I've said this about 1,000,000 times on my channel. I just have tons. This is very beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. The interesting color pops, like red, yellow, blue, all the primaries, makes it very like arty. Very pretty. All right, then there is this dress. I don't know how I feel about this. First of all, it's long sleeve, which kind of makes it, with those like peasant sleeves, I guess they're called, has a teardrop shaped cutout. Not into that either. And then the bottom is just kind of flouncy. This would be like a house dress, but knowing this subscription, the prices are usually high for something you'd want to wear around your house. You know what I mean? Like their dresses. The jewelry is a pair of hoop earrings, silver hoop earrings. Here's our little, so here is a return dress label. You put this back on the bag and send it back. And then here is a description of each of your items along with their price. So we'll look at that at the end, which is after this item right here. There's one more item. Oh, this is pretty. This I like. This is from Zena Premium. It's like an oversized shirt with a lace bottom. It's very like comfortable looking, soft. The color is pretty and like it's flattering for me because it's like a neutral, like a kind of peachy neutral. All right, so let's go over the price thing. The eggshell top. What is that? This one probably? See, this is something they do too. They don't tell you, like this top, it says eggshell. It doesn't tell you how to anything else to discern. It says eggshell. Is this eggshell? Is there another eggshell? I'm guessing this is the only one, right? There wasn't many tops. This is $35.99. That's a big no for me, dog. The top Brittany, which is navy floral. What? Navy floral. Navy flare? What? I don't have that. That's not in here. That's literally not in here. All right. Top, navy stripe. Huh. Bottom. This is not, I have no idea. This is not the same items. All right, so the dress is here, Heather Gray. That's $29.99. I'm really concerned now because there's items that are listed that aren't in the bag, and I don't want to get charged for them. So that stinks. Like, did I miss something? No, I didn't miss anything. There's only one. All right, so there's this one top. There's the dress. So any other tops that are listed, there's 3 pants, no other tops, and the socks and the earrings. So this says there's 3 tops total, 2 bottoms, 1 dress, earring, necklace. There's no necklace, and the socks and the scarf. All right, so that's right. The socks are $5. The scarf is $16.99. That's a no. That's way too much for a scarf. It says there's. I could have missed the necklace. I don't know. Never know, right? No, I didn't miss it. It's not in there. There's no necklace. Really? All right. The bottom. See, it says there's 2 bottoms. I'm thinking that one of the pants is listed as a top. No. Brown and black. So is this brown? This isn't brown. This is probably the pants that are black. See, this is like, I don't like this. Like, why am I having to do this? Like, it irritates me. I'm very irritated right now. Like, I don't have time to do this. Like, I'm literally right now frustrated. Like, how frustrating is that? They're making me, now I'm going to have to email them, make sure that they don't charge me for all these items that they didn't put in the bag. Like, that's really annoying. And it was taped up. Like, you saw how it was. Like, somebody could have taken that stuff out. Like, what the frig? I'm kind of irritated now. I'm really annoyed. Like, that's annoying, right? Like, I thought this was going to be good. I think I'm going to cancel this. Like, I really do. I'm frustrated. Like, I don't even want to, I'm really annoyed. Like, this is not enough to figure out what I'm looking at. And I'm wearing a scarf this whole time. I'll probably feel really silly when I edit this video. But I'm just being honest. Like, I subscribe to this because I'm like, okay, Stitch Fix is way outside of what I'm comfortable paying. But I'm really reconsidering. You know? I don't know. You know what I mean? Like, anybody else has, I want to know your Nadine West stories down in the description. Like, I want to know how you dealt with it. Like, because I'm going to now have to email them and hope that they believe me. Like, that's a freaking pain in the butt. Like, I'm not going to add any pictures. I don't want to try anything on. I just want to get it back. Because now I have to handle all this stuff. And I'm leaving at 2 in the morning. Like, frustrating. All right. Anyway, I'm going to end this video and say, like, I don't know. I'm not even going to link to them. Like, I think I'm done. Like, I think I just want to be done with them. Like, this is not cool. I get that mistakes happen, but I've had a bunch of months that I felt like were really bad. And now I'm like, do I need more clothes anyway? Like, I just find it frustrating. Anyway, like I said, yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a good day. I'm not having a bad day. This is not a good experience. Like, I don't, and when people get annoyed at subscriptions, like, a lot of times, okay, so here's some real talk. As a reviewer, you don't see a lot of that. This, by the way, I pay for Nadine West. This is not something, they did not reach out to me. They don't say, hey, do you want to review this? So as a reviewer, a lot of times people will reach out and they'll send you a box because they know you're a reviewer. They're making sure your box looks great. They're sending it really quickly. So there are things that sometimes we miss as reviewers because we get the better, like, they want us to see it. I would love to see how boxes really come, how things like, because this is something I see a lot with boxes that I pay for. I'm like, this is a letdown. And I always feel bad because I'm like, I review other subscriptions and I'm like, people probably think that I'm so full of baloney. Because I say, oh, it's so great, and blah, 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 blah. But that's because it comes on time. It comes well. I get everything, you know, like, it's just a different, but this is a bad experience. Like, this is something that would turn me off from subscriptions entirely. And so, yeah, I'm really disappointed. I just have to say that. I just have to say it. I sound like a little Karen or something, but it's true. Anyway, thank you guys for watching and listening to my rant if you've made it this far. Oh. All right, well,